All right, so this is going to be the arc length problem, okay? So we are going to try to calculate the arc length of this function from 1 to 2, okay? So whenever you're calculating arc length, the first thing that you want to say is, I need to calculate the derivative. So f prime of x would equal e to the x minus e to the minus x, now divided by 2. So our formula is going to be the integral. Remember, the formula for this would be 1 to 2 of the square root of 1 plus, now, f prime of x squared, and this is going to be an integral with respect to x. So that's going to equal the integral from 1 to 2 of the square root of 1 plus, okay, this would be e to the x minus e to the minus x, now divided by 2 and squared, and we're going to integrate with respect to x. Okay, so that would become the integral from 1 to 2 of the square root. We'll do this in a couple steps. That extra parentheses is not really necessary, but so e to the x times e to the x would be e to the 2x. Now e to the x times e to the negative x would be 1, but it happens twice. So that would be minus 2, and then plus e to the negative 2x, and then all of this divided by 4, and that square root needs to go all the way to the other side. This is an integral with respect to x. And notice, we're trying to get a negative 1/2 in this so that we can turn that into a positive 1/2. So, what do we end up with? We end up with the integral from 1 to 2 of 1, now plus e to the 2x square root, e to the 2x divided by 4, minus 1 divided by 2, and then plus e to the minus 2x divided by 4, like that. Okay, so this would become the integral from 1 to 2, now the square root of e to the 2x divided by 4, and plus 1 divided by 2, and then plus e to the minus 2x divided by 4. Let's continue that square root sign. Yes. Okay. So, I would say that this is equal to the integral from 1 to 2 of the square root. Right, now that's going to be e to the 2x plus 2 plus e to the minus 2x. And then all of that divided by 4, and this is an integral with respect to x. Okay, so that would equal the integral from 1 to 2 of the square root of e to the x plus e to the minus x squared divided by 2, an integral with respect to x.
Well, hold on, let me.
Okay, now the square root is going to undo the square. And so this is going to become the integral from 1 to 2 of now just e to the x plus e to the minus x now divided by 2 an integral with respect to x. Right? And so that would be e to the x and negative e to the minus x divided by 2 evaluated at 1 and at 2. Yeah. So that would equal e to the 2 minus e to the negative 2 divided by 2 and then minus, let's do this with a big parentheses, e to the 1 minus e to the negative 1 divided by 2. And that's actually our answer right there.